Poshmark sales have been crazy lately, and it's honestly, in my opinion, never going to be easier than it is right now. Now, when dropshipping on Poshmark, you want to list as many products as possible, which is easy with ZDrop's automatic bulk lister. And when I say that, people often respond that they've listed around 20 or 50 products and got no sales. But the truth is, 50 isn't even close to enough. You need to list hundreds or even thousands. Again, that's not difficult or that time consuming over a few days or a few weeks. You can even hire a few cheap VAs to do it for you if you want on onlinejobs.ph and have them run the bulk lister on ZDrop to do it. Think of it as casting multiple fishing lines into a pond. The more lines you have, the more potential fish that you'll catch. Now, I primarily source my products from Amazon Prime and Walmart Plus because their premium memberships allow fast shipping, ensuring that you can meet Poshmark shipping deadlines when you're using their label, right? Because on Poshmark, you need to ship out with their label. That's one of the restrictions. And that is how you succeed drop shipping on Poshmark. It's simple, you don't need to overcomplicate it, and one of the most enticing aspects of this method is the automation. There's tons of software out there that can handle this grunt work like listing and sharing for you. So 3 examples of these software that I've covered previously are Simple Posture, which shares all your listings automatically, bringing more eyeballs to your listings, increasing how much your listings actually show up in search, and increasing your sales ultimately as well. The second is ZDrop, which can list for you in seconds. This is the software that I touched on previously in this video. It's going to copy the product pictures, the titles, the descriptions, and also mark the price up instantly, all while storing the URL in the software so you can then again find that product when you make a sale by just simply searching for a keyword. And the third is ZDPosh, which is actually ZDrop's Poshmark offer bot, which will automatically make offers to people that have liked your listings based on the specific percentage off that you set up in the software. And this is going to increase sales by simulating the urgency of a timed offer. While Poshmark does mandate the use of their shipping labels, which is a small hurdle like I've covered, it also actually presents an advantage that most people don't realize. Because of this small so-called hurdle, this platform has significantly less dropshipping competition, which means more sales for you and for me. Just remember to use ZDrop and list as fast as you can with ZDrop's bulk lister, share a lot with Simple Posture so that your listings are getting more eyeballs and they're also higher up in search results, and test a bunch of products, including those that already sell for you on other platforms. And then when something sells, list more things like it and double down on what works. If you're doing those 3 things consistently, it's really hard not to make money doing this. If you want a more in-depth explanation, there's an entire playlist of tutorials on this channel. Just search it. Hope it helps.